If Photoshop is showing error 0Xc00007b, don't worry, because this is a very common Windows issue and it usually means there's an application format, conflict, missing system files, or a mismatch between 32-bit and 64-bit components. In other words, Photoshop is trying to launch, but Windows is blocking it because one of the required libraries is missing or the wrong version. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first and most important fix is to install the Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. This solves a huge number of 0Xc00007b errors, not just for Photoshop, but for many Windows applications. Photoshop often depends on these libraries to start properly, and if they are missing or damaged, the app may fail immediately. Go to Microsoft's official website and download both versions of the Visual C plus 2015 to 2022 redistributable. You need the x64 version and the x86 version. Even if you have a 64-bit version of Windows, you still need both because some programs and background components rely on the 32-bit package as well. After downloading them, install the x64 package first, then install the x86 package. Once both installations are complete, restart your computer. That restart is important because Windows needs to load the new libraries properly. If Photoshop still does not open, the next thing to check is whether your system files or framework components are out of date. Another common cause of this error is a broken or outdated .NET Framework installation. To fix that, reinstall the latest version of .NET Framework, preferably version 4.8 or newer if your system supports it. Again, after installing it, restart your PC so the changes can take effect. Now, if the error continues even after installing the redistributables and .NET Framework, the problem may be with Photoshop itself. At that point, the best move is to do a clean reinstall. First, uninstall Photoshop from your system. If possible, don't just remove the app normally, because leftover files can sometimes cause the same error again. A better option is to use the Adobe Cleaner Tool, which helps remove damaged files, corrupted settings, and leftover components that a standard uninstall might leave behind. After cleaning Photoshop, reinstall it through Adobe Creative Cloud. Make sure the installation completes fully before opening the program again. Once installed, launch Photoshop and check if the error is gone. In many cases, a clean reinstall combined with the Visual C++ packages solves the issue completely. If you want to go one step further, also make sure your Windows updates are current because system library issues can sometimes be caused by missing updates. Keeping Windows updated helps ensure that the required runtime files and security components are present. So, to quickly recap, if you see Photoshop error 0Xc00007b, install both Visual C++ redistributables, reinstall the latest .NET Framework, restart your PC after each major step, and if needed, perform a clean reinstall of Photoshop using the Adobe Cleaner Tool. That combination fixes most cases fast and safely. If this video helped you get Photoshop working again, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more simple Windows and Adobe troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.